Alright guys, so we're just going out on a fun cruise today, and basically in this video we're just going to do some fun highway pulls, listen to some nice turbo noises, some pops and bangs and whatnot, and I wanted to answer some of the basic questions that I get on a daily basis from a lot of the Mini Cooper community. I know a lot of people like my car, a lot of people don't like my car because of the air suspension, the stance and all that stuff and whatnot, but basically to start off, this is a 2012 Mini Cooper S. I have a little over 62,000 miles on the car. I've had the car for a little over 3 years. The car is basically fully bolted besides the turbo, so that includes intake, full exhaust from the turbo back, front mount intercooler, Kohler spark plugs. Again, I have the air suspension as well with the wheels, little things here and there. I got my Brom seats that I'm sitting in at the moment, Cypher Auto harnesses. I have a black and yellow theme going on with the car. That's basically it for that. Another common thing that a lot of you guys ask, and it's a big like Mini Cooper thing and BMW thing, and I know you guys love it and you want to know how, is how do I shoot flames and all the pops and bangs that I get. So for you guys to understand, I feel like a lot of people that ask me this question are N14 owners, which is fine, but so you know, the N18 from factory came with an overrun when you put the car in sport mode. So it's basically from the factory tune when the car's in sport mode. Even if I had a stock exhaust, I will get tiny little gurgles and little burbles that happen with the exhaust. Now obviously me putting a full exhaust and a tune just enhances all the pops and bangs that I get. But mind you, even if I wasn't tuned with a full exhaust, I would still get the pops and bangs and the flames because the car from factory on the ECU is tuned to do that. The N14, it is not. So you need a tune on the N14 and a full exhaust to be able to achieve this. That's basically all you need. Now, if you have an early model 2007 Mini Cooper S with the N14 engine, I believe you cannot, even with the tune, get pops and bangs, which really sucks, but it is what it is. Hold on guys, I got a little underpass. I'm gonna do a little I love it. I love being obnoxious. Now this is not my daily driver, that's why I don't mind it. I feel like if I was daily driving this car with all the pops and bangs and whatnot, it'd be kind of annoying. By the way, a lot of people ask me about the blow-off valve. It is a Forge blow-off valve, so it sounds really good. So I recommend it if you want some good sounding turbo noises. That is definitely the valve you want to get, and it's pretty affordable. The install is super easy. I have the install on my channel if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, so, and a lot of people are asking me about the plans for this car. Now, I've been saying for such a long time I'm going to do the turbo, and I need to do a clutch on this car. The reason why I haven't done the turbo is because I need to do a clutch, and the clutch job is super expensive. I do plan on trying to do everything myself. I've never done a clutch job on this car. People say it's a pain. I don't know how much of a pain it's going to be. So I don't know if I'm just going to take it to a shop, if I'm going to do it myself. The labor is super expensive, so I'm kind of on the fence. But before I do the turbo and retune the car, I'm going to do the clutch so I can do everything together so I don't have any issues, because to me there's no point in doing the turbo obviously, and then right now my clutch slips every once in a while regardless, so me just putting on a bigger turbo with a more aggressive tune is just going to destroy the clutch, and then I'm not going to be able to drive the car until I get the clutch done. So when I do the clutch and I'm ready to do everything, it's going to come all together. That's just how it's going to be, and you guys are just going to have to accept that. So I need to get over. I'm gonna cross the single line. This guy's looking at me ridiculous because I have a GoPro on my head. That's kind of funny. I don't know, but he just passed by me and gave me the weirdest look, but whatever. Now we have, this is coming off the highway. We call this the S-turn from where I'm from because, as you can see, it's very... Now, I got good tires on the car, by the way. I have Indy Firehawk 500s. They're super good, but I do have a little stretch on them now, so I drive a little more cautiously, but super fun. I was gonna actually go and do some like back road driving today, but unfortunately the back roads that you can do some spirited driving are kind of far from me, so I don't know, kind of tired of working all week. I didn't want to take the trip all the way over there just to have, I guess, a couple of minutes or, you know, know, 20 minutes just driving around, doing some crazy driving and whatnot. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Just making this video just to hang out, answer a few questions, just hear some nice Mini Cooper turbo noises. I mean, in the comments, if you guys want to know anything about my car, I always try and help as much as I can. I always leave my social medias in the description so you guys can ask me questions there. I try to answer everything I can. Just know, I'm not saying I'm a huge social media presence person. I don't have a big YouTube channel. I don't have 100,000 followers, but a lot of you guys do like to ask me a lot of questions, and you guys got to understand too, like, I can't get to every single DM. I'm not on Instagram 24/7 where I'm just waiting for DMs to come in to answer. I try to get to them as quickly as I can, and if I notice you guys send me a DM and I answer like a week later from when I see it, I always apologize. Like, you can ask anybody. I'll basically start up by saying, hey, sorry, I just saw this, and then proceed to trying to answer the question as best as I can. So that's the way I am. I love to help people. Again, guys, if you have any questions about my car, any questions in general about these cars or anything at all, I'll try my best to answer them. I don't care. I don't mind. It's Saturday right now, so I'm just, again, just took out the Mini to have a nice, fun afternoon drive to just hang out with you guys. A lot of people have requested me to do more POV driving. A lot of you seem to like it. A lot of you guys have even like told me that you listen to the my exhaust videos or my driving videos, like it helps you relax and it helps you like go to sleep, which I've gotten multiple comments about that. You guys say that like the exhaust tone and all of that stuff like actually like ease you guys and put you guys like all relaxed and stuff to like get a better night's sleep, which is kind of cool. And I'm glad that you guys enjoy the driving videos because I like making them. I kind of stopped making the driving videos for a while because I don't know, I feel like people weren't watching it as much, and people like the Mini content, but I feel like the driving videos got kind of stale because I was basically doing the same thing over and over again, just a lot of pulls, a lot of exhaust videos and stuff, and obviously it gets really redundant, so that's why I didn't do it as much. But yeah, guys, anyways, just wanted to go out for a quick drive, just you guys can experience and enjoy the POV, enjoy the exhaust, enjoy the blow-off valve and whatnot. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching, have a good one, and I'll see you next time.